Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be planning for the week starting from 18th and ending on 24th. For this week's stickers, I thought I'll use these add-ons from Planner Kate Kits. I just bought a couple of them and this is a really nice winter kit. And there are 8 washi strips here, so I thought I could use like somewhere between the days and yeah. And it is expected to snow this week, so should see. I thought it'll be nice to use this kit. I don't know if I just should go ahead and use them to divide the days, like just put it at the end or put it at the top as well. I think I'm gonna start by putting it at the end, just on the last line for each day. And I had got a request to film, just a sec, I'll grab an X-Acto knife. Yeah, I had got a request to film a video on how to use the ink bucket planner and I put it up. I hope you guys found it useful. It was really nice to film. I'm sorry there's a little bit of delay in videos this week because in between I just felt sick and I really wanted to take some rest, and from next week my classes are going to start for my final semester, so I just wanted to rest and take a break. And also that video kind of took longer than expected to film. I'm not sure, like I tried filming on Monday or Tuesday, I guess. I think I tried filming on Monday and that's where I was kind of falling sick, but I tried and it was not coming out well, so I just gave up at the end of the day. And then next day I filmed that video, so that got delayed and then I fell sick. So I just took a break and today I am feeling a bit better. Actually from today afternoon I am feeling a bit better. So I just freshened up and went out for a walk. It was really nice. The weather was quite windy actually, but it's always nice to get out of the house and get some fresh air. Okay, so we have one dark, one light, and I kind of want to go with the similar theme, but thinking, yeah, I'll go with this one. It's gonna look really boxy this time. It's not gonna be as creative as the other ones. But don't worry, with the way the yoga challenge is going, like we are halfway through and I'm doing good with that. So hopefully I'll be able to complete all the 30 days and then I can get the sticker book that I want, which is the Pip Sticks and Workman sticker book. And by the way, that's available on Amazon India as well if you guys want to get it. And once I get that, I'll start planning with those stickers as well. I'm gonna use this one over here, or I think I'm gonna use it here. So once I get those sticker books from Pip Sticks, it'll be really nice to start planning with them because I've never used those kind of stickers, so I thought it would be nice. This week actually I thought I'll create some sort of, like a studying kind of a spread because my final semester is starting. And yeah, I did find some stickers, but I didn't find everything that I wanted, so I was like, okay, it's way easier to plan with the kits because of these washi strips and the matching stickers. It looks kind of put together no matter what you do. So yeah, I thought, okay fine, let's just go ahead with the kit because I want to film another video today, which is the goal setting one. I've actually prepped everything, set my goals. I just want to put it together on camera. And I think I'll film that after I complete filming this video. So I just wanted to complete this quickly, and I was not able to find other stickers as well for that, so I was like, okay, so we're done with the washi strips, and let's go mark our priority stickers. So we have 8 of them here. That's perfectly fine, it goes with it. So I'm gonna start with this one. If you're new to my channel, I add a priority sticker for every day, wherein I write down 3 priorities for the day, and then I also add my yoga sticker just to put down the practice for the day, and then anything else that needs to be done goes on the paper. So what I thought was, I have like these stickers for yoga, right, and I also have the script stickers. I thought I could use it to mark just for something additional, because these kit stickers might look very plain compared to the previous plan with me's that I've done, so I thought it'll be nice to add some more. I'm gonna put that washi away, and we have one decorative one. So I'm just trying to alternate. If I'm putting a decorative bigger sticker, I'm gonna put a smaller plain sticker. So I'm just trying to alternate and get in this red as well, because everything is so blue and white. And probably add the darker one. Goes here, and then the yoga sticker would come here. Yeah, so we're good with Tuesday as well. And for Wednesday, let's go with something lighter, because there's a darker washi here. I'm gonna put it in between. So just try to distribute the stickers so that it doesn't look too uniform, and yeah, kind of looks a bit abstract, but still goes well in terms of design and angles. Let's go with a yoga sticker here, and then I don't think this is straight. The best part about Planner Kate stickers are that they're removable, but I have seen that the removable stickers quality is a little bit lesser. I think it's just the way the sheets are created. The removable ones quality is a little bit lesser compared to the permanent stickers. Those happy planner stickers that I use, the quality is really good. It's really good. Okay, I want to use another pattern one here, but it's okay. I'm gonna put this, and I think I'm gonna add it over here, and a plainer one will go here. This goes over there, and I really want to focus more this week in terms of like settling down with my schedule, because my work timings are gonna change, and along with that, even my classes timings, like everything is gonna get a bit more hectic. And last semester I just observed that, you know, I was really good at my yoga practices at the beginning of the year as well as in the summer when I was on holidays. But then when classes started and work started, it just like I just gave up. I wasn't able to like just manage the whole schedule, and it just got a little bit too much. But this time I need to be a little bit more mindful about making sure that I am making time for these activities that are really important in my life, like yoga and going for walks. I think this week was quite good in terms of walks. even if it's for a little bit of time, I'm managing to go out, so that's nice. But yeah, yesterday I didn't go though because I wasn't well, but apart from that, it was pretty good. Okay, we are done with 5 days, and I want to go ahead and add it for the weekend as well. So I'm gonna put one over here. And last week I actually ended up making some changes. I'll just quickly show you guys. I had put a pattern sticker in between, and I'd layered these, right? When I put that, I didn't have any plans of I thought I wouldn't frame the entire thing. I think that was the only thing that was kind of looking a bit odd. So I removed that and I felt it looked pretty okay. So I just made that change last week in terms of stickers. And then I want to add another red one over here to bring in a little bit of color. So I'm gonna put that there, and then one light and then another dark. There are a couple of things that I want to mark this week because my classes are starting and it's a bit difficult to remember the timings. I thought I would just add some stickers because I have them. If not, I wouldn't have added them. So I thought I could use these appointment labels to just add on the days that I have classes and to mark the timings. I do have a bullet journal that I use for my college. Just because I had these stickers, I thought I would just go ahead and add it. I'm gonna put it probably over here. So I try not to fit everything within these lines because it just looks kind of odd when I do that. So I'm just trying to go off a little bit. So Tuesday I have 2 classes, and then on Wednesday I have 1 class. So I can put it over here itself. And then on Thursday I have 1 class. I'm gonna put it over here. And then on Friday I have another class. So we'll be good. I do have a work meeting, but I'm not sure I want to get work stuff in here because I have a bullet journal for that as well. I think it's fine though. Is there anything else that I want to mark? I want to mark my final sem that's gonna start, but I do want to use a pattern label. Probably let's use this one. I want to put this over here just to highlight that my classes or the final sem is going to begin. Honestly, there's one side of me wherein I think, oh my god, my routine is going to get disrupted, and I hope it doesn't happen like last time, wherein I was saying that one side of me feels like, oh, I don't want classes to start because I'm just a bit worried about my routine when it comes to yoga and walks. I don't want that to get impacted, but another side of me is like, okay, let's get started and finish it off pretty quickly so that I can be done and just go back to my life wherein I didn't have anything else except work in my life. Didn't have to bother about assignments and stuff. So yeah guys, I think we are done with this week's plan with me. I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel as well as give this video a thumbs up. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.